Hello friends and welcome back to GoodGrades tutorial mathematics online classes. Previous year's questions discussion for class 10 Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Among now we have finished coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry loigre, coordinate geometry gi matungda will pick up another topic, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression jida last 10 years to take question like important questions, how to deal with those questions, and what are the basic tools or knowledge that we require to solve those questions. All of this would be discussed in this series of arithmetic progression session. Aduna arithmetic progression gi session number 1 is the we will start with a very basic question. Question: define an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is defined the way. So, arithmetic progression is defined the way. 1 mark ki hangre 2010 and 14 da. So, define the I will first look into certain basics. Okay. So, first of all, I koina number khar lower. Okay. Number khar low matam da 1 haibam laila. Mathangda 1 haibam laila. Nadra 1 ani laila. 1 haibam laila. 1 haibam laila. Mathangda 2 laila. Okay. 6 laila. 24 laila. 1 20 only. Why not the number later? Numbers is the now we follow a certain rule. Another sequence rule follow the web. Yantaiko. Sigi rules a carino yam matamda. Aham but the gi ani subula was the into 1 natore. Matangi numbers lap the into 2 natore. Matangi lakumatam 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Mathangda into 4 matore natra mathangda into 5 matore. So we are following a certain rule. Rule follow tawdra natra so rule ama follow tawraga a number of series irapusibu koina kari haige have matamda we call it a sequence. Sequence. So let us call this sequence 1. Another sequence easy, we'll call this sequence 2. Okay. Sequence 2 the 1 ira 3 ira 5 ira 7 ira 8 ong ire, sorry, 9 ong ire, tangda 11 ong ire, so I'm continue to okay. Sidagi is the amuging, Sisu rule lama follow to brand. 1 the git 3 lapada, I koina karita 1 the git 3 lapada plus 2. 3 the git 5 lapada plus 2. Similarly, 5 tegi 7 lakuda plus 2, 7 tegi 9 lakuda plus 2, and then from 9 to 11 we also have plus 2. So obviously the sequence 2 also follows a rule. Sequence uneasy ako understand tawra natra adu sequence uneasy understand taw kumatam the sequence 1 sinane ako in arithmetic progression ni na high row. Sequence 2 is an arithmetic progression ni na high ni. Okay, both of them are sequence, right? And both of them follow a certain rule. Follow but sequence 1 will not be considered a sequence in an arithmetic progression, but sequence 2 is the arithmetic progression in a high. So the question is why? Both of them seem to follow the same pattern, same rule. adu itadi let us go further in gantare ko amuka happen deeply analyze tawsi sequence ani sequence amagi hamba go hamba term zibu aikoina sequence amagi a1 hairaga khangnai ani subasina a2 hairaga khangnai 1 hairasi adudi 3 zina a2 laani natra 5 zina a3 laani 7 zina a4 laani a5 a6 and so on domain tawduna sigizu a1 hairani a2 a3 a4 a5 a6 and so on. Okay, so the terms of a sequence number are defined as a1 a2 a3 a4 a5 a6 and a7. Okay, adu the sequence ani the hypet amung yengasi. Let's look at sequence number 1. Sequence number 1 jam ithoksiko 1 haibam lera 1 haibam lera 2 haibam lera 6 lera 24 lera 120 lera. Okay, now there is a kweni yeng to a1 ga sin a1 lera ni sin a2 lera ni sin a3 lera ni a4 a5 a6 yandare ko adu itardi aikoina si ani se minus to si yengase a1 minus a2 se a2 minus a1 sorry a2 minus a1 is 0 lera natra sidai na a3 minus a2 je yengse 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 natra a4 minus a5 a4 minus a3 je yengse okay we'll find out what is a4 minus a3 a4 minus a3 thangna terms hai okay thangna terms minus to matam 6 minus 2 we have 4 similarly a5 minus a4 is 24 minus 6 is equal to 18 yan tare ko sigi observation je ama thamaje okay let's look at another sequence akoi gi mamang da nainagi ba sequence this is sequence number 1 natra sequence number 2 je amung yeng sequence number 2 is the aikoina kari khange hai matam da okay sequence number 2 je 1 3 5 7 9 11 and so on okay adu itardi sidai da magi a1 je kai orani magi a1 ji sigi je orani a2 jina sigi je orani natra adagi admai tawdana a3 ga a4 suma me amju loi tholani natra this is a3 natra this is a4 this is a5 this is a6 adudi sidai da ongi yengase a2 minus a1 ji kya laini 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 natra a3 minus a2 je ongi yengase 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 natra a4 minus a3 je ongi yengase 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 a5 minus a6 je ongi yengase we have 9 minus 7 is equal to 2 similarly we have a6 minus a5 is equal to 11 minus 9 is equal to 2 yan tare ko this is koina kaino observe to we observe a certain thing adudi karino haiba matamda okay adu itadi koini sidai da kaino observe to re ahambada aikoigi sequence 1 ji yengo matamda sequence 1 gi thangnaba term gi negation je thangnaba term gi difference a2 minus a1 jina a3 minus a2 ga manade natra amabok manade ba adu itadi sequence 2 ji dong yengo moi gi loina mak chap loi manai 2 ji manadra so this is So this is what defines an arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression amada natra magi subsequent term gi difference managadabne natra adu itadi koina subsequent term gi difference haiba matamda we can take series a2 minus a1 haise natra sigi kariga manani a3 minus a2 natra a4 minus a3 muloi maksi chap managadamni and it should be constant natra adu oitardi akoina a2 minus a1 gaina a3 minus a2 gaina irise akoina generalized form da irakpa matamda a n plus 1 minus a n an irakpa yabra yeah natra adu oitardi sigi a n plus 1 jeng karigumba aina n je 1 in lordi a 1 plus 1 minus a1 and laktini this is nothing but a2 minus a1 which is the first term natra mathang the a is aina 2 nen loktardi a 2 plus 1 minus a2 sidi a3 minus a1 haibu chap mane sigi terms natra adu de ekoin generalized form de ithroke haitardi an plus 1 minus an and evi yadra adu oitardi now koi the khulai loi lere natra koi the sequence karino khangre we know what is the sequence natra then we have written down two sequences sequence ani sigi moigi rule je koina understand tawre rule je understand tawraba matungda makhada koina thangnaba term gi difference puthoe a2 minus a1 a3 minus a2 for both the sequences ani gi se is the khenaba amalai khenaba si karino haiba matamda amma sequence ahamba gisina constant oiraktre magi difference sequence 2 dana constant oire aduna takpadi sequence ki thangnariba term khaidoknar ko matamda constant oibasibu arithmetic progression ni haiba oila natra so how do we define excuse me an arithmetic progression je define toge haiba matamda arithmetic progression is a sequence what is sequence ni where natra an plus 1 minus an is constant constant for all values of n belonging to set of natural numbers. So this is the proper definition of arithmetic progression. Akoina iramdoisi si khatan iramdoisi si khatang inaba akoina photo karino on understand tawbewan gatarni ko. So how do we define an arithmetic progression? It is a sequence where an plus 1 minus an is constant for all values of n which belongs to set of natural numbers. Okay, now arithmetic progression is defined tawraba matungda gantare ko aikoina mathangi anka hothar ko matamda sisinaba nungainaba terminology khara yengsi terminology series da the an plus 1 minus an hairizibu kari hair khangni we call it d which is nothing but the common difference. Okay, and the first term which is a1 is always written as a yantabra first term. Okay, so these are the two important nomenclatures that we would be using while solving the upcoming questions for arithmetic progression. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me. This ends the first session of arithmetic progression. I hope all of you had a good learning experience, and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you very much.